Since May 2022, the Reserve Bank has raised interest rates a total of 13 times. And that's brought the average rate a new mortgage borrower faces from a low of 2.4% to 6.3% today, a nearly 60% increase in monthly repayments. Many economists, including us, expected that this surge in mortgage rates would cause home prices to fall. But in fact, prices have turned out to be pretty resilient. Prices did slide initially as rates were rising, declining a bit over 3% nationally by the end of 2022. But that turned around fairly quickly, with prices starting to grow again in 2023. And prices today are now up 8% from where they were when rates first started rising. While prices have been surprisingly resilient, affordability has still mattered. More affordable markets have, in general, seen stronger performance over the past couple of years. This has been especially true for Western Australia, currently Australia's most affordable state, and for South Australia. Both Perth and Adelaide saw essentially no downturn in prices, even as the Reserve Bank was raising rates, and prices have continued to surge since. In the past 12 months alone, prices in Perth are up a staggering 22%, and in Adelaide they're up 15%, far outstripping the national average. Brisbane has also seen strong price growth, with prices up 13% in the past year. Sydney, and particularly Melbourne, have not seen as strong performance. Both cities saw slightly larger downturns in 2022, and while Sydney has recovered those falls, Melbourne has not, with prices sliding further this year. And that means that prices across Melbourne are now around 4% lower than they were before the Reserve Bank started raising rates. So what's next for interest rates? With inflation starting to come back under control, the prospect of rate cuts is on the horizon. We don't expect that we'll see that this year, but if inflation continues to subside at the pace the Reserve Bank expects, we could see cuts start as soon as early next year. That would provide some welcome relief for mortgage holders and also improve affordability for prospective buyers. If that happens, it's going to continue to support home price growth.